Hey, guys, I have been testing this laser cutter system for some time, and today, I am doing the mega comparison laser cutter system. I hope this video will be helpful for your decision-making process. Number 5. CO2 Printer 40 watts USB-D Laser Engraver Cutter Engraving Cutting Laser Machine. This CO2 engraving machine integrates the newest light, machine and electricity mechanical movement to design this high-precise and high-speed 3-generation model CO2 laser engraver. This brand new DC key CO2 laser engraver is equipped with 140 watts water cooling laser tube, high-precise stepping motors, high-quality control board. It employs an USB port and thus can be connected to your laptop or desktop by the support of included software, CorelDRAW. This machine can work well with multiple graphic formats including EMF, JPG, PLT, WMF. CorelDRAW has the ability of both NuLiZeal and NuLiDraw, and so it can be employed in both carving and cutting. Works. Product link in the description box. Number 4. Brand name, Voller and operating temperature, 0-30 engraving area, 300,200 engraving speed, 1-40mm Schlosser power, 40 cutting speed, 1-40mm S. WR3020 laser engraving cutting maching laser engraver laser cutter working area 300,200mm 40W. Product link in the description box. Number 3. Brand name, Voller and operating temperature, 15-30 engraving area, 400,600 engraving speed, 1-500mm Schlosser power, 50 watts, 60 watts, 80 watts 100 cutting speed, 1-50 color, red. WR4060 50 watts RUIDA CO2 laser engraving machine, 220V 100V laser cutter, CNC engraving machine. Product link in the description box. Number 2. 1300x 900mm size 150 watts CO2 laser cutter for steel cardboard CNC laser cutting machine price MDF laser engraving machine. Product link in the description box. Number 1. Hot Sale Jinan 1390 Acrylic Laser Engraving Machine Wood Laser Cutting Machine CNC 1390 Laser Cutter Machine Laser Engraver. Product link in the description box. Thank you for watching the video.